Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i available on your Android device? And I already installed and set up the application what HUAWEI offer for the earbuds. We can install it only using our browser or AppGallery. We cannot install this application using Play Store, so let's open it and check the list with supported devices. We need to click at the plus at the right top, and then click Add manually. Move to the entertainment, and click at the earphones here. Our model is Freebuds 7i, so we can try to find it at the list, or we can write it at the search bar 7i. And right here we have these earbuds. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to the application, you can check these videos at this channel. And thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!